Hi everyone. In the problem statement of longest substring without repeating characters, we are given a string s. We have to find the length of the longest substring without repeating characters. Let us take this example of s, which is having a value of a, b, c, a, b, c, d, d. We can have a dictionary which from where you're going to store these values. As of now, it can be empty. So initially our pointer would be at one place. So our resultant string would be, or we can have this store the numbers out here. So our resultant string would be empty for now. So we are going to add a to our resultant string and our longest value, right? Our length would become 1. Then b, we are adding b and this value is going to become 2. Now we are adding c and this value is becoming 3. Now, once we're going to add that a, right, we are checking in dictionary whether a is existing before or not. So in this case, right, a is existing out here. So what we can do, right, we are having this left pointer, right, which is currently at 0. So we are going to remove this last element and incrementing our left pointer by 1. Let me write it down in the correct format. Result would be now a, b, and c, and we have removed it and our value would be this one and our left pointer would be at 1, so it is at this position right now. Once that is done, right, we are now our length is again becoming 3 and we have added this a right now. Once we are going to add this b, right, is b existing in this dictionary? Which is correct, the b is already there. So what we need to do, we have to remove this b. So we are removing this b from here. So b got removed, our left pointer is increasing and current value would be cab. Now once we are going to remove this c, so how to remove this c? Is c existing in this dictionary? Which is correct. So before adding that, right, we have to remove c. So increasing our left pointer and the c would be get removed and c would be added here and our left pointer would be at this position. Now d, once you're going to add this d, right, in this dictionary there is no d present out there, so we can easily add this d out here. Now once you're going to add this d again, then at that case, right, and now our length would be, as you could see, it would be currently it would be 3, sorry, it would be 4, the maximum length, right? So maximum length would be 4. This is the maximum length. So once we're going to add this d, so when we are going to add this d, this d is got added and that is fine. Now once we're going to add this d value, right, what would be the problem that would be happening? So out here, right, we know that another d is present there. So but how to remove that d? So first we have to remove this a value, increment our left pointer to b. So a got removed, then b is not d, so b will also have to be removed. So b got removed, left pointer would be at c, then c needs to be removed and c got removed and then it would be at d. And once that d got removed, right, so now there would be no values present of d type in this dictionary. So now we can add this d value out here and then our length would be 1, but the maximum value is 4, so we are going to take the maximum value and our result would be 4. So in this way, right, we can solve this problem. So we are having to have 2 pointers and using a dictionary we can easily solve this problem. Now let us jump to the Python solution. Now let us create 2 variables. So first would be j pointer, which is currently at 0, and we are going to have the max string value. So max string, which would be 0 because initially nothing is there and we have to initialize a dictionary, empty dictionary, to keep a track of the elements that is present in that list. Now we can do for I in range of 0 to length of our s. So while s of I is not in our dictionary, or is in our dictionary, is in our dictex dot keys. In that case, we are going to delete the current value from the dictex of s of j. So you're removing the last element, right? So you're removing the a pointer. We are removing that value and we are incrementing j plus 1. Once that is done, so once our l- length of our array, right, is in sorted order, right? So in that case, what we are going to do, so we are going to have this max string, which is going to take the maximum value of max string or I minus j plus 1, the current length which we are considering. And after that, we're going to again assign this value, means the value that we are adding into our resultant length, right? So we are going to assign that value to our dictionary, and we are going to have basically return the maximum length of the string. So return max string. Now let me run the solution. As you could see, the public test cases got passed. Let me submit it up. And here the term complexity would be big O of n, which is pretty efficient. And let me run it again because we are just having 2 pointers to solve this problem. And it will keep on increasing. I've seen it was 94, so this is not a big thing. So our code is pretty efficient out here and it is running all the test cases properly. And that's all for this video. See you in the next one.